Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20 plus years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front window motor on this 2000 Lincoln Town Car, same as any 9802. Only tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver and a T30 Torx bit and driver. Door panel removal. It's fairly simple. On this vehicle, this door panel has been taken apart a bunch of times, so some of the fasteners may be different for you, as well as, for example, it has a screw here, which I believe most cars probably don't. The reason it has a screw here, I believe, is because so many of the pins in behind that hold it are broken. But what you want to start is remove your door lock knob just by unscrewing it. Okay. Then in under here should be two, on this vehicle, they're Phillips screws. And you just kind of put your screwdriver up under there. Now there's another Phillips screw up in here. Okay, and this pulls out. And then right in here you'll see there's another Phillips screw that goes into the door panel. Okay, and as you can tell, I've been fast forwarding when I just get to the monotonous stuff. So you remove that screw, and then there's another screw next to the rear side of the pole. Okay, then at the bottom, there's two more Phillips screws. It's kind of a little indent in the carpet. Just put your screwdriver in there, twist it a little bit, and you'll get the screw. This car has a little Torx screw here. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be there or not. I'll remove it. This may not be on all cars. Okay, and then there is another screw here, but this is broken on my car, so I know there's no screw in there. And then what there is there's a series of clips. So you would want to work your hand underneath here, and there's one clip right here, and get your hand as close to those. You can slide your hand underneath and you slide it over and you feel it getting tighter and tighter. Okay, and then you give a good pull and get that clip out. And then come up here on the top. Okay, give a good pull, put on a clip there. And then on these vehicles there's more clips. There's clips in the middle and more on the edge. But like I said, this vehicle has been apart a few times. Okay, and actually before you pull the door panel off, you want to pull your window switch up in the front and then pull it out. And then there's a series of harnesses that just have little tabs. You press the tab, pull the harness down. Okay, this gray one, tab, pull it down. Tab here on the black one. And then a tab here for the brown one. Okay, I'll pull the panel away, and there's a few more harness connections back here. A couple of small harnesses with a black and white connector. Okay, press a little button here, pull that apart. There's a blue connector here that has a tab on it that you pull the wires of the blue connector, pull the tab out. It's hard to see. Okay, and then there's a gray connector here. Okay, again, big tab, pull it apart. Looks like the screw's not quite all the way out, so and your door panel is off. Okay, so you can see here I'm holding back the water shield. You may have noticed on the other clip that on this car somebody has just cut the water shield. There should be a shield covering that whole large open area. You want to pull your water shield back carefully because you do want to save it because it does protect your door panel from getting aged too quickly by water and dirt. Okay, to remove your power window motor, so your lead is right here. Press on this tab. Pull the lead up and out, and then there's 3 T30 Torx screws right here, and you remove the bottom 2 and you loosen the top one. Okay, once you loosen that top one, reach in behind and you slide the whole motor and cable assembly out. Okay, you can pull it all the way out to here and actually just finish removing this. Okay. And then the motor comes off. Okay, so a new window motor from 1A Auto. You can see the function will be exactly the same as the old one. Everything's the same. It looks a little different, but the most important thing is that the connectors are the same and they'll mount the same. To install it, what you'll want to do is reach in and pull your gear back like that. Put the motor in. Push it into the transmission. And then we'll start this bolt up here. Now you want to look right through. Look right through this hole and bring that screw into place. Okay, and now you can see I've got it in place there, and I've got the holes pretty well lined up there, so I can put the 2 other screws in. Pull your lead through and reconnect. Okay, so here I'm just going to speed up putting the door panel back on just to keep the video at somewhat of a manageable length. If you wanted to see this part of the process in regular speed, just check out our other videos for the Lincoln Town Car door panel remove and replace.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.